All right, so this ought to be fun. You can watch me wrestle this shroud into the engine compartment here. This is the top. It clears. So far, so good. Kind of snake it around the fan. Actually, that wasn't too bad. I don't know. I might have to move the alternator to clear the radiator. We'll know that in a second, so pay attention. Oh, this thing is heavy. Oh my God. They weren't messing around in 1968. Okay. Hopefully this clears. I don't know. Be close. And I'm going to say no. Not going to clear. Okay, gotta move the alternator. Be right back. Alright, so I swung the alternator out of the way. It gives me a little more room on the shroud. Let's give this a shot here. Okay, it's still pretty heavy. I got it though. I got it. Okay, no problem. I got it. Just right here. Could use an extra hand. I don't have right now. So just gotta get over by this. Just about clearing. Not today. Okay. Take the alternator off. All right, take three. We've removed the alternator bracket. Now we see if we can clear the radiator. Pretty heavy still. A lot more promising right now. Pretty good. Get my hand in a different spot here. It's hitting the shroud over here. Shroud over here. So what we're going to have to do, remove the power steering pump. Why not? Okay. Let's take four. Alright, so now we're underneath here. Here's a bottom view of the radiator. Oh, I can't get the camera back far enough. Hang on a sec, there it is. Okay. Bottom view of the radiator. It is shimmered out. I didn't want it too close to the radiator support right here. Got a good distance all the way across. Hook up the train lines. Might need a little massaging because we ended up moving the radiator forward about an inch and a half. So let's get started on that.